In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create mockups in Figma, a powerful tool for UI and UX design that's especially great for beginners. Whether you're just diving into the world of design or looking to streamline your workflow, Figma offers a collaborative environment that makes design a breeze. Let's walk through the steps to set up and use mockups effectively. First things first, we need to navigate to the Figma website. Figma is a cloud-based design tool that enables real-time collaboration, making it an ideal choice for teams or anyone working remotely. Once you've arrived at the homepage, look for the Login button at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your credentials or sign up if you don't already have an account. It's important to ensure you have access to the internet, as Figma is an online platform. After logging in successfully, you'll find yourself in the Figma home interface. This is where all your recent projects and shared documents are displayed. It's like your personal design dashboard. The next step is to look for the Templates and Tools section. You can think of this area as a treasure trove of resources designed to enhance your creativity and jumpstart your design process. Clicking on it will open up a plethora of options that you can explore. Now, in the Templates and Tools section, you'll see a search bar typically labeled Search Community. In this space, type in the word mockups. This is where the magic happens. With just a simple search, you'll unlock access to an array of pre-designed templates specifically crafted for creating mockups. Browsing through these templates can provide inspiration and a powerful starting point for your projects. Once you've typed in mockups, a variety of design files should populate the screen. Here, you can select a design file that suits your needs. Choosing the right template is essential as it forms the skeleton of your mockups. Consider the aesthetics, layouts, and functionalities you might require based on the project at hand. And there we have it, a simple yet comprehensive way to start creating mockups in Figma. Remember that each template is fully customizable. You can edit colors, fonts, and layouts to align with your brand or personal preferences. Figma's interface is intuitive, but should you encounter any challenges, their support community is a great resource. Thank you for joining me on this quick tour of creating mockups using Figma. With these steps, you're well on your way to producing engaging and professional designs. Keep experimenting with various templates, tools, and techniques to find what works best for you. Stay creative, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.